Hiccup, hiccup. Charles is 28 years old. He is a farmer. One day, Charles lifted a big pig and put it on the truck. Then he starts to hiccup. He hiccups and hiccups and hiccups. He can't stop. Drink a glass of water, his wife says. Charles drinks a glass of water. The hiccups don't stop. Eat some sugar, his mother says. Charles eats some sugar. The hiccups don't stop. Eat some lemon, his father says. Charles eats some lemon. The hiccups don't stop. Close your mouth and hold your nose, his sister says. Charles closes his mouth and holds his nose. The hiccups don't stop. Pull your tongue, his grandfather says. Charles pulls his tongue. The hiccups don't stop. Put water in your mouth, his grandmother says. Then put your fingers in your ears and swallow the water. Charles put water in his mouth. Then he puts his fingers in his ears and swallows the water. The hiccups don't stop. Charles hiccups for 68 years, from 1922 to 1990. Then one day, the hiccups suddenly stop. Charles is a happy old man. Finally, he doesn't have the hiccups.